We have not so good real estate news here because the Legacy Hotel and Residences, a distinguished 50-story development at 942 Northeast First Avenue in Miami, has momentarily paused construction, and this temporary hold is due to an oversight in the installation of certain components, necessitating a reevaluation and additional permitting from the Miami Fire Department. And Daniel Kodsi of Royal Palm Companies has provided assurance estimating a delay of approximately 6 weeks to navigate these unforeseen complications efficiently. Initiated in 2021, this $340 million venture has rapidly become a focal point of Miami's real estate scene, with the vast majority of its 310 condominiums already acquired by forward thinking investors. And these residences range from the intimate 350 square feet to the expansive 850 square feet, excluding the exceptionally lavish penthouses. And the project is just unbelievable. And beyond residential offerings, the Legacy Hotel and Residences is set to redefine luxury hospitality under the Morgan's Originals brand, and it will feature a 219-room hotel complemented by a 1-acre pool deck with 3 swimming pools, encapsulating a vision of leisure and elegance. And the project, as you can see, is just beautiful, beautiful building. And this project is pioneering in wellness, hosting a 220,000 square foot Blue Zones Wellness Center focused on holistic health practices rather than traditional fitness exercises, and projected to grace Miami's skyline by 2026. The development stands on a 1.5-acre site in Miami-Dade County, promising an unmatched blend of luxury living and wellness. And despite this current pause, the Legacy Hotel and Residences remain a testament to the dynamic and resilient nature of Miami's real estate market. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all our videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.